Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our multi-tool starter set. This tool comes with a body handle that's been ergonomically designed to fit your hand perfectly for comfortable crafting. It comes with a distress edge and a detailed craft knife, and finally a nice little end cap. What you may notice on here is that this pen is double-ended, and let me show you how that works. Our tool heads fit into both sides of the body handle. To insert your tools, you simply align it with the slots and twist to lock in. So you can actually have two tool heads on your handle at one time for quicker and easier crafting. You can also just have one tool head and your end cap on there. So it's a really multifunctional piece of equipment for making. Let's take a look at how our detailed craft knife works. I am just going to line it up with the area that I'd like to cut. What I love about this craft knife is that the body it's attached to is just designed to be so comfortable. Really makes working with it very easy. And I'm just going to cut out the bottom shape of this heart from this coloring book. And I'm just going to lightly score these two edges. And now I'm going to cut out the top of the heart. You can see how clean and easy that was and how much precision I was able to have by using that nicely designed body. So there we have a clean heart cut out for our coloring book card. Now let's take a look at the distress end. This is a very exciting tool, and we're simply going to click off this end cap, and we're going to click on the distress end, and I'm going to leave my X-Acto tool on the other side just in case I need it. The distress end is very simple and easy to use. You simply just run it against the edge of a piece of paper. You can see that a little bit of effect starts to happen immediately. The more you do it and the harder you do it, the more of a distressed edge you're going to give your piece of paper. So I'm just going to go all the way around the circle until I start to see the kind of effect that I'm looking for my project. And you can see the more I go, the more detail I'm applying to all of my edges. And I think that's a good looking amount there. I can just pull over my project, and you can see that I've distress edged all the edges of my project, so it really ties everything together and gives it a little extra texture. Now I'm just going to apply a phrase right on top of that. And look how nicely that stands out from that texturized circle. So this has been a look at our multi-tool starter kit, which comes with your body handle, your craft knife, your distressed edge, and your end cap, all from Sizzix.